Alright, hands up if you've ever had that moment of, who was that? After someone's been at your door? Or maybe you're just tired of those blurry, postage stamp-sized videos from your old doorbell cam, where you can't tell if it's a delivery driver or a rogue tumbleweed? It's frustrating, right? You want to feel secure, know what's happening, without having to glue your face to the people. Well, I've been testing out the newest Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. And seriously, this thing is a game changer. First off, the head-to-toe HD Plus video, you see everything. No more wondering if the package actually got dropped off at your feet, or missing the person who was just slightly off camera. It's like having a wide-angle security guard. And it's smart. With motion detection and crystal clear two-way talk, you can greet visitors or tell that delivery person exactly where to leave your parcel from anywhere. Even at night, you're not seeing ghosts. The color night vision means you get a vibrant, clear picture, no matter how dark it is. Plus, if you grab the Ring subscription, you get specific person and package alerts. It doesn't just say motion detected. It'll say package delivered. That's next level peace of mind. And honestly, installation is a breeze. Literally connected to my Wi-Fi and mounted with the included tools in about 10 minutes. The quick release battery pack is brilliant. No fumbling with wires, just pop it out, recharge, and you're good to go. To help you out, I've popped a direct link to this specific model in the description. Saves you the headache of sifting through all the different versions. Now, I know some folks might look at the price tag and think, can I just get a cheaper one? And trust me, I get it. We've all tried those budget options, haven't we? The ones that promise the world but give you a grainy, stuttering mess, die after a few months, or have batteries that quit on you when you need them most. You end up spending more money in the long run replacing them, and frankly, you never actually feel secure. This Ring Doorbell Plus isn't just a doorbell. It's a robust part of your home security ecosystem. It just works. Consistently, reliably, and with fantastic quality. It's not just buying a gadget. It's investing in real, tangible peace of mind for your home or business. It's absolutely worth the dollars, pounds, or loonies. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.